Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing a super simple recipe for bite-sized pancakes made with crab meat. This pancake skips the flour, letting the chewy texture of the crab meat shine. First, take about 7 ounces of crab meat and shred it into long strips by hand into a large bowl. Next, crack 2 eggs. Add a pinch of salt and whisk them well. Finely chop some green onions and chili peppers. Then add them to the bowl. Finally, pour in the whisked eggs, sprinkle a bit of pepper, and mix everything thoroughly. Heat a generous amount of oil in a pan, then spoon the batter into small palm-sized portions and fry them. I kept it simple with just the essential ingredients, but I also recommend adding finely chopped zucchini or enoki mushrooms. Ta-da! It's ready! The crab meat and eggs are already seasoned, so you can enjoy them as they are. The pancakes aren't too thick, so they have a nice texture, and the crab meat and green onion flavor are a perfect match. It takes less than 20 minutes to make. You've got to try this for yourself. Have a simple and delicious meal with simplkeimil today.